Hi guys, my name is Muskan Chotwani and I am a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to be explaining you about different types of makeup brushes and their uses. So the brushes that I always rely upon are from the brand The Musk India. So let's get started. So this is the first brush, MBM01. The eyeliner brush. Now this one is used to basically do your eyeliner. Like you can see, I have done a winged liner. So if you have such a pointed brush, like a very pointed eyeliner brush, the wing, to create a beautiful wing, becomes very easy to do. You can also use this one to do a kajal, under eye kajal, or you can even use it to do a gel eyeliner or a liquid liner. So yeah. Code number 1 for the eyeliner brush. So the second brush here, code number 02, MBM02, is the eyebrow brush. Now as you can see that this brush has got two tools in one brush itself, which means that this is a dual brush. Now why dual brush? Because two tools in one brush itself. Okay. Now one side it has this angular brush, the other side it has the spoolie, as you can see. Okay, the angular brush and the spoolie. Now what are the uses basically? You can basically take this side of the brush, the angular side of the brush, to do the eyebrows. Take a product, आपने eyeshadow थोड़ा सा product pick किया, and you can fill your eyebrows and just give a beautiful shape here to the eyebrow. अभी भी आप देखो, I have given a very natural shape here. So this side can be used to do that. And जो दूसरा side है, which is the spoolie side, इसको spoolie side बोलते हैं. अगर आपकी bushy brows है, like you have a lot of hair in the brow, आप क्या कर सकते हो? Just put a little bit of hairspray on this side and you can just fix it like this. Okay. So उस purpose में ये बहुत काम आता है. Otherwise sometimes हमारी जो eyebrows हैं, they are due, and you know we have हमारे जो hair है, eyebrow hair, वो इधर उधर होते रहते हैं. So you can just groom your eyebrow before actually starting to put the product. So this is a very useful brush for doing your eyebrows. Code number 02. Now let's come to the third brush, which is this. Now this is actually a multi-purpose brush. It is an eye brush, code number 03. Eyeshadow brush or concealer brush can be used both the ways. If you sometime feel that हमारी जो eyelid पे है, जैसे मैंने अभी थोड़ा सा आई शेडो लगाया हुआ है, I can take the product, थोड़ा सा आई शेडो लिया, and I can just apply it very easily using this brush. Second use of this brush is it can also be used as a concealer brush. Now how? Just take a little bit of concealer and put it onto the areas which you want to conceal. Well, to also bring a little surprise here, you can also use this one to create a beautiful cut crease eye makeup. Sometimes हमारे पास eyeshadow brush होता है, लेकिन वो eyeshadow brush बहुत बड़ा होता है. इस brush की specialty है that it's very precise and very small. So what happens कि आप इस छोटे brush से beautiful cut crease eye makeup कर सकते हो. अब कट क्रीज आई मेकअप क्या होता है, जिसमें थोड़ा सा आपको कंसीलर यहाँ पे लिड पे डालना पड़ता है, एंड बिकॉज ब्रश का साइज बहुत छोटा है, यू कैन इजीली डू दैट. सो अगेन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कैन बी यूज्ड टू डू योर कंसीलिंग, कैन बी यूज्ड टू डू योर आई शैडो and a cut crease eye makeup. 3 purpose of one single brush. So the next brush is this, code number 4, eyeshadow brush. A little bigger eyeshadow brush compared to number 3. But also if you compare both the brushes, this is a better size to deposit the eyelids on a medium sized lid. Like I have a medium sized lid area. मेरा जो lid area है वो medium है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं है. तो medium to bigger size के लिए अगर आपको eye shadow brush pick करना है, so you can use this one, eyeshadow brush, code number 4, and also to deposit glitters on the eyes. This is one of my favorite brushes to simply take the glitter and deposit on the eyes. Beautifully it does the job, and I love this brush for that purpose. So code number 4 for eyeshadow brush. Now let's come to the code number 5, which is the lipstick brush. Now this is very important brush to give a very precise shape on the lipstick. कई बारी हमें लगता है कि हमको जो लिपस्टिक है बहुत ही डिफाइंड देनी है, बहुत ही एकदम पतले लिप्स को we want to make them a little bigger in size and padi lips ko we want to make them a little thin. So you can use this brush easily. It helps to create a beautiful lip lining, and then you can again use the same brush to fill the lipstick inside the lips. Now let's come to code number 6, which is a small eyeshadow, a very tiny eyeshadow brush. As you can see, very tiny in size. Now this can be used to do the under eye makeup, to smudge the under eye makeup. Like आपने काजल लगा दिया और अब आपको उसके ऊपर आई शैडो से उस काजल को ब्लॉक करना है, तो आप ये वाला ब्रश करो. दिस इज सर्टनली अ ब्रश जिसके बिना मेरी वैनिटी अधूरी है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ब्रश. आप अंडर आई स्मज नहीं करोगे तो आपका काजल लॉन्ग स्टे नहीं रहेगा बेसिकली. You need to have this brush for doing your under eye smudging and under eye makeup. Apart from this, you can use it even, in fact, आप अपना अगर ऊपर थोड़ा सा smudged eye makeup देना चाहते हो, आप उसके लिए भी same brush use कर सकते हो. So the next brush is this one, which is the code number 7 eyeshadow blending brush. Now this again is a very important brush, you guys. अगर ये वाला brush आपके पास नहीं है, मेरे पास नहीं है, तो मेरा eye makeup I can't do the makeup, eye makeup at least, because this is used basically आपने थोड़ा सा eyeshadow pick किया and just deposit on the eye and blend it. That's it. It's so easy to use. Simply आप लो और blend कर दो. आपको कोई lines नहीं दिखेंगे, कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, कोई patch नहीं दिखेगा. You just have to blend it. But this one mostly can be used for medium-sized eyelids, like my eyes or even bigger sized eyelids. Okay, so all those who have medium to bigger size eyelids can opt for this size of the blending brush, code number 7 eyeshadow blending brush. The bristles are extremely soft and smooth. Let's come to the next brush, which is the code number 8 pencil brush or a crease brush. Now this is a very tiny or a smaller sized pencil or a crease brush. Now why do we use this brush? Again, अगर आपको एक smudge liner look देना है, आप थोड़ा सा काजल लगा लो ऊपर अपने upper lash line पे and थोड़ा सा eye shadow लेके you can smudge it off. So you can use this brush for that purpose, or you can smudge the under eyes using this brush. Again, if you want to create a beautiful smoky eye makeup and you want to pick a lot of black, तो अगर हम काफी सारे ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश या आई शैडो ब्रश यूज करते हैं तो उतना इंटेंस ब्लैक पिक नहीं होता. सो इफ यू वांट एक्चुअली अ ब्रश which should pick a lot of black product in a lot of good intensity, then go for this brush, which is a crease brush. Now this can be used for smaller areas like smaller eyelids or medium eyelids. So I recommend this for that. So code number 8 is the crease brush or the pencil brush. Next, let's come to the code number 9, which is a bigger sized eyeshadow brush or again a concealer brush. So if you want to quickly just conceal a little bigger area of the face, little pigmented area, this area, simply you can just take this brush and pick a concealer and just deposit using this brush. Or if you have a little bigger size lid or a little bigger area where you actually want to deposit the eyeshadow, just take a little bit of product and deposit it quickly. Simple, as simple as that. Again, as it is a little fluffy, can also be used to deposit glitters on the eyes. Okay, so code number 9 is the eyeshadow or a concealer brush in a little bigger size. So the next brush is this, code number 10. Again, a crease brush or a pencil brush you call it, but this one is a little bigger sized crease or a pencil brush. Again, it can be used to smudge the kajal, that you can smudge eyeliner look. You can put a kajal little bit on the upper lash line and you can smudge it, or you can also create a beautiful smoky eye if the deposit area, the area you want to deposit on the eyeshadow, black color, brown color, जो थोड़ा सा dark colors pick करने हैं, so easily intensity ज़्यादा pick करनी है बड़े area के लिए, you can use this brush. So a pencil or a crease brush to be used for a little bigger sized area. Code number 10, bigger crease or pencil brush. Now let's come to the next brush, which is code number 11. It is also a blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush. Code number 11. As you can see, it is little bigger in size, so you can use this brush to blend the eyeshadow over here, इस एरिया पे आप थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट लो एंड ब्लेंडिंग के लिए यूज करो ऑन अ लिटिल मीडियम टू बिगर साइज्ड आईलिड्स, ठीक है, क्योंकि इसके जो ब्रशेस हैं थोड़े से फ्लफी और थोड़े से बड़ा साइज का ब्रश है, सो इजीली आप मीडियम टू बिग साइज्ड एरिया या फिर आईलिड्स के लिए आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट ब्रश हियर इज कोड नंबर 12, which is a very tiny or a very small eyeshadow blending brush, as you can see. Now किसी की eyes बहुत small area होता है, यहाँ पे eyelids बहुत small होती हैं और a lot of you we have hooded eyes or droopy eyes or tiny lids. Then in that case you can use this smaller eyeshadow blending brush because the size of the bristles are very tiny. It's a very small brush. Easily you can blend it on a very smaller area. In fact, if you have a little bigger eyelid and you want to only target a very smaller area, so you can't use a bigger blending brush then, right? Then in that case you have to pick a very smaller blending brush. So here is an option to do that. So code number 12, smaller blending brush. So I think we've covered almost all the eye brushes. So basically the Musk India has one from code number 1 to code number 12, all the eye brushes. Now let's come to the face brushes. So next we'll start understanding about the face brushes that are required to do the makeup. So first face brush here is the code number 13 fan brush. How beautiful is this brush? It is in a shape of fan and this is used to basically put your highlighter. I am sure a lot of you are very fond of highlighter, right? So आप बस थोड़ा सा highlighter लिया and just जहाँ आपने highlighter देना है, you have to just do it like this. As simple as that. So code number 13, fan brush used to deposit the highlighter. So the next brush is code number 14, contour brush, a small contour brush basically. Now this can be used to do the contour on smaller areas, like if you want to do a contour of the nose, you simply have to take a little bit of brown color and you can just put it here, create two lines here and blend it using the same brush. It will give you a beautiful nose contour. In fact, you can use this brush to do a little bit of eye contour on this area if you actually want to just deposit it a little bit here. So it is a small contour brush. It's a very beautiful contour brush, one of my favorite brushes. So the next brush is this, which is the under eye brush. Now this brush can again be used in multiple ways. Now first of all, you can use this brush to simply take a lot of concealer and conceal it under the eyes and beautifully buff it round and blend that concealer. Or you can also use this brush to remove the extra powder after doing the baking. जब हम baking करते हैं face पे, हम खूब सारा powder लेते हैं, हम under eyes पे डाल देते हैं. अब उस powder को remove करना थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता है properly. So this brush, because this brush has a beautiful flat shape, as you can see. यहाँ से flat है और यहाँ से broad है. So this is a very different and unique type of shape of the brush, and इस shape की वजह से you can just simply take the brush, no product, clean brush and simply wipe off the powder of the face. It's beautifully, you can use this one to wipe off the extra powder or just conceal your under eyes. Simple. So the next brush is the code number 16 highlighter brush. Now this brush can be used in n number of ways, though I'm calling it as a highlighter brush because it has a beautiful tapered shape. The bristles are very fluffy, as you can see. Now why am I saying that this can be used in multiple ways? Because number one, you can just take a little bit of highlighter and you can just put it here using this brush. Second way to use this brush is to take some blush and do blushing, just smile and just blush, put it on the apple of your cheeks and you can easily use it as a blush brush, guys. Number 3, you can use this brush as a contour brush also. You can just take a little bit of brown color and you can just put it here and here and here and here and blend it out and here, and you can easily do your face contour, face powdered contour using this brush. Now fourth use of this brush is basically you can use this brush as a very small powder brush. Now you can just take a little bit of loose powder once you are completely done with your base. आपने अपना पूरा foundation base कर लिया है, थोड़ा सा powder लिया and just put it all over the face, and you can use this as a powder brush also. So one brush, 4 uses. So the next brush here is the code number 17 foundation brush. Now this brush is very easy to use. You just have to take a little bit of foundation. आप liquid foundation भी ले सकते हो, आप cream based product भी ले सकते हो. Just take the product and just put it all over the face using this brush. Very helpful to spread the foundation, to spread the base using this brush. I also use it to deposit the product over here. फाउंडेशन या फिर आप कंसीलर, आई शैडो, आई मेकअप करने से पहले अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट करना है, आप ये वाला ब्रश लो और इसी से ही डिपॉजिट कर लो. वेरी इजी टू यूज. कोड नंबर 17 फाउंडेशन ब्रश. So this is next brush, which is code number 18 puffer brush. Now this brush can be used to deposit oil or the moisturizer in the starting of the makeup. Like you're just starting the makeup and you have to put the moisturizer and you have to penetrate the product inside the skin. You can simply take the product, आपने थोड़ा सा moisturizer लिया या serum लिया या oil लिया, आप जिससे भी prepare कर रहे हो अपना face, आपने easily उसको round motion में घुमा के you can simply penetrate inside the skin. Number 2, second use of this brush is आपने अपना base लगा दिया और अब आप उस base को बहुत naturally you want to spread it on the face. You can again use this brush. You can just simply make it very natural by just moving it in this type of motion. So this is code number 18 puffer brush. So the next brush is code number 19 blush brush. इसकी शेप थोड़ी सी राउंड है यहाँ से बिकॉज ये बेसिकली यूज होता है टू पुट द ब्लश हियर ऑन द एप्पल ऑफ द चीक. अगेन बहुत इजी है. आपने पिंक, रेड, थोड़ा सा कोई भी ब्लश लेना है, पीच ब्लश ले सकते हो, पाउडर ब्लश लेना है. Just take the product and smile and put it on the apple of the cheek and just move the brush like this in a little circular motion and blend it. Beautifully it blends. Now also this brush can be used in different ways. You can use the same brush to put the highlighter also. थोड़ा सा highlighter लिया and highlighting spots पे आपने same brush से लगा दिया. Isn't it easy? Now third also इसके और भी uses हैं. Third use is basically इस brush को आप contour brush भी बना सकते हो. कैसे? Just hold the bristles of the brush from here. अपने 2 fingers लो, अपना thumb and अपने fingers से इसको press करो, make it very stiff. Now you can see it's very stiff. Now you can do contour using this brush because this becomes flat in shape. So in case if you don't have a contour brush, you can use code number 19 blush brush to do contour, blush or highlight. Okay, so the next brush is code number 20 contour brush. Now contour brush का जो shape है वो थोड़ा सा angular होता है. Like you can see the shape of the brush is slightly angular. So this brush can be easily used to do the contour, the powder contour or the cream contour blending on the face. Just take the product and put it here. These are the contour areas of the face. You have to put it here, you have to put it here. You have to just contour your jawline. You can use it to contour your nose and your forehead. So beautiful brush. Code number 20 contour brush. So a lot of times हमें contour brush जो हमने code number 20 में use किया था उससे cream contour करने में थोड़ी सी problem होती है. So the Musk India provides you code number 21 to do a beautiful cream contour, a very sharp cream contour because the bristles here are very flat. The brush is very flat from the top. The bristles here are very stiff also. Like you can see, the bristles are quite stiff. बहुत dense brush है, मतलब इसमें bristles बहुत ज़्यादा है. So code number 21 is the cream contour brush. You can take a cream contour product, थोड़ा सा dark color का brown लिया and you can contour and you can use the same brush to blend that. सो जस्ट कई बार क्या होता है कि हमने वो लिया एंड हमारा जो बेस है हमसे नहीं अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो रहा है, सो जस्ट ऐड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर टू इट. इसमें 1 ड्रॉप या 2 ड्रॉप मॉइस्चराइजर का डाल दिया या कोई ऑयल का डाल दिया एंड देन ब्लेंड द कंटूर. इट easily happens and it's so magical. So code number 21, cream contour brush. So next brush is code number 22, which is the small powder brush. Now the small powder brush, it's very simple. You have to just आपने पूरा अपना फाउंडेशन कर लिया, कंसीलर बेस कर लिया. You have to lock the base so that आपका जो फाउंडेशन है कहीं इधर उधर बिगड़ ना जाए. बेसिकली आपका जो मेकअप है डिस्टर्ब ना हो जाए. सो यू हैव टू लॉक इट विद द पाउडर. सो यू कैन यूज दिस स्मॉल पाउडर ब्रश कोड नंबर 22 टू टेक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लूज पाउडर और अ कॉम्पैक्ट. आप जो भी यूज करना पसंद करते हैं, जस्ट टेक इट एंड जस्ट पुट इट ऑल ओवर द फेस. Now the good part about this brush is that the size is little small. So if you want to deposit the powder, you want to do baking using the brush, you can use this brush and put a little bit of powder under the eyes. Because the size is little small, so it will help you to bake easily. So code number 22, small powder brush. So the next brush is code number 23, stippling brush. Now what is the use of this brush? It can basically be used to just put a little bit of drops here on the brush of the foundation of the base. आपने थोड़ा सा foundation यहाँ पे डालना है and just like a magic wand, you have to put it all over the face and just move it like this, and you will be amazed to see how beautifully the base is done after that. So just थोड़ा सा foundation इस पे डाला and अपने face पे, पूरे face पे base create कर दिया. Very easy to use. It will beautifully do the base in like hardly 1 or 2 minutes. So code number 23, stippling brush. So last but not the least is the 24 code number, which is the bigger powder brush. Like if you quickly want to powder your face, you quickly want to lock your face and you don't want to waste any time, you just have to take powder or you can use your compact and just quickly fix the base. How soft are the bristles? Wow, I just feel like I'm just touching feathers on the face. You just have to do it in this motion and it's done. You are done with locking the base. In fact, this brush can be used to remove the extra powder under the eyes, which आप baking कर लेते हो कई बारी और यहाँ पे powder रह जाता है, तो आप इस brush को use करो and easily आप देख रहे हो कितने soft bristles है, कितनी easily ये घूम जा रहा है brush. So you will just be able to quickly remove it. This is a very useful brush and a must-have brush. 24, code number 24. Bigger powder brush. So that was all about the 24 brushes explanation and the uses, and I really hope that you guys were able to understand and the video was super useful for you guys. And now I'm not going to end this video right here because I have a very special surprise for you guys, which is that you can use the code Muskaan10 to buy these brushes from the website themuskindia.com and you will get a 10% discount using the code Muskaan10. So yeah, that's all about the surprise, you guys. You guys are happy? Enjoy guys. Goodbye and take care.